It's Christmas! Wearing your favourite jumper?
Presents!
Being with family?
It's time to wake up now! Even more presents!
Eating Brussels sprouts?
I love Brussels sprouts, but I wouldn't have Brussels sprout flavoured ice cream. Christmas is always a magical time of the year. That moment at the very end of December which we all look forward to. I wonder, what are you looking forward to for Christmas? It sounds like you've got a lot of exciting things to look forward to this Christmas. But I wonder, what does it mean to look forward? For me, it means that there's a lot of excitement. We are eager, we are happy. But as we have found out this year, there are so many times where it's been very hard to look forward to things. We've not been able to see our friends. Sometimes our grandparents have been missed out. And so I wonder, how can we still be joyful, even though times aren't going right? The story of Christmas is one of the most important stories for Christians across the world. And yet even in the Christmas story, things didn't go quite right. Mary and Joseph, when they went to Bethlehem, couldn't find a place to stay. There was no room in the inn. And yet they still managed to persevere. That means that they kept on going forward. They kept on looking forward. And Mary especially had good reason to look forward, because she was promised by an angel that she would give birth to a very special child. A child which would be called Emmanuel. What does Emmanuel mean? Let me tell you, Emmanuel means God with us. Mary was going to hold on to this special promise she was given, and that gave her joy even when things were going wrong. Mary and Joseph eventually found a stable, and the baby Jesus was born in a manger. The birth of Jesus meant that God was with us, and God is always with us. And for Christians, this is our joy. Even when things go wrong, God came to us. Jesus was born, and God wants to be with us forever.
Yay!
At the very first Christmas, Jesus brought joy to the world, and he continues to bring joy to the world even today.